This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Plug a known good USB-C cable into the Ps5 controller and a powered USB port. This forces wired communication. While plugged, hold the PS button and share/create buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds until the light blinks rapidly. This places the unit in pairing mode. Once blinking, release buttons and keep the cable connected briefly to ensure firmware negotiation. Doing this avoids wireless radio conflicts and resets the controller's Bluetooth pairing table, so the console, once done with the wired trigger, navigate to your console's Bluetooth device's screen or PC Bluetooth settings. Make sure the controller is still blinking. Select Wireless Controller from the list and choose Pair or Connect. The system and controller exchange profiles so buttons and audio routes work correctly. If the console fails to list it, disconnect the USB, wait 2 seconds, then scan again. This clears transient USB mode. Make sure other nearby Bluetooth devices are off to reduce interference during the handshake phase. You finish by confirming a steady light or stable blinking pattern that indicates an active connection. Then test analog sticks and buttons in a controller status screen or a quick game. If the light keeps blinking or connection drops, perform a hardware reset. Power off, insert a paperclip into the small reset hole on the back for 5 seconds, then repeat pairing. This clears corrupted pairing entries. Finally, make sure console and controller firmware are up to date. Outdated firmware often causes repeated blinking and instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.